pub and meet the Bearsons. Everybody say hello. There's Port and Ben with Annie and Barbara, with little Lisa too. With a first galore, with a terrible fall. Just you wait and see. It's the Bearsons. It's the Bearsons.
Oh, hello everybody, I'm Bearsons. Oh, and welcome to the 60th episode of the 7th and the last series of the Bearsons. Now, today, I got Maggie with me today, and I don't know what she's up to today. What do you think, everybody? What about you, Titus?
Well, I expect that you could put the music off, something like, Roofy for a start. Yeah, just like you did from last time. Do you remember doing that?
Oh yeah, I remember now. Well, Maggie, what do you think? Should I put the roofy thing on for you then? Well, I'll take that as a yes. I'm covered in Maggie's own chew. But I love it all the same. Oh.
Ben, don't faint. Just get on with it. That means that you are such a big sissy girl.
I am not.
Ouch.
Right, don't worry, everybody. Now, I've already put the roofy thing on here, just like we did before. Okay, Maggie, now I know you're excited about roofy, but we need to calm down sometimes. So don't go too hyper, okay? Yeah, I guess that means, okay, you won't. Okay, well, I'm going to put it on now. Right, off you go then.
1, 2, tie your shoe. 3, 4, pick up the floor. 5, 6, don't play tricks. 7, 8, clean your plate. 9, 10, start over again. 1, 2, tie your shoe.
Well, I guess that Maggie started to get all hyper all of a sudden. Oh my goodness.
Clean your plate. 9, 10, start over again.
No! Oh, Maggie! Man, do something! Maggie's on me!
Oh, don't worry, Titus, I'll get her. Are you okay, Maggie? I saw that you fell. Uh-oh. I think this could mean one thing. I believe that Maggie's got the hiccups. Are you alright, my magpie? Oh dear. Well, I better go get my dad to sort this out. Dad! Hey, I think Maggie's got hiccups.
Uh-oh. Right, don't panic, Batman. Right, I'm coming. Oh, hello, everybody. Yeah, sorry if I had to be here. What's going on, Ben?
Well, you see, Dad, I think Maggie's got the hiccups.
Oh, dear, Ben. Is that true, Maggie? Oh, yeah, you're right there, Ben. Now, how about that? Why does Maggie has got the hiccups for?
Well, you see, Dad, because she was very excited about this roofy thing. Come and have a look, Dad.
Oh, alright. Let's have a look, anyway. Oh, so that's roofy. Oh, I didn't know that. And it's a good thing that Port doesn't even like this sort of thing. Oh, yeah, I know what you mean, that bad. Yeah, she was very hyped up about it.
Yeah, tell me about it. So, what are we going to do, Dad?
Well, I think the best thing that we could do, Ben, do babies sometimes have to breathe?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, well, have a go, then. Oh, and I'll watch you, then.
Okay, Dad. Okay, Maggie, I know you're excited. Just calm down now. Right, just take a deep breath. Go on. Good, and I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Are you okay now, Maggie? No hiccups? Oh, well that didn't work. I'm sorry, Dad, I don't think it works.
Oh dear. Well, that's not good, is it, Ben?
So what's the best thing for hiccups?
Well, Ben, I'll tell you what the next thing is. So, come here. Come onto my lap for a minute.
Okay. Yeah, excuse me, Maggie. Won't be long.
Well, Ben, the thing is, Ben, it's the only thing that scares the hiccups away is scare her.
What? Scare her? But, Dad, I don't think Maggie will like it.
Well, it's the only thing that make the hiccups go away.
Oh, are you sure, Dad?
Of course, I'm sure. Besides, I expect that you've helped Ward with hiccups before.
Oh, yeah, I remember now. All right, then, Maggie. All right, then, Fuse. How about the brothers will scare Maggie? Well, I guess that means that I'll be a bad dad-in-law.
It's alright, Ben. Yeah, I just got Maggie to stand up now, so you can have a little word with her now.
Okay. Alright then, Maggie. Now, listen to me. Now, I know you're not going to like this. I understand. But an ill baby must be given a shock. Remember, it's only a game, because I'm only going to scare your hiccups. Okay? Okay. Right, here we go. Oh, I'm going to regret doing this. Oh dear, I guess I've scared her now. Well, I think she's scared now, Dad.
Oh, well done. Oh,
It's okay, Maggie.
it's all right. Your substitute dad's here. Come and have a sit down. Oh, shush, 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 shush. It's okay, Maggie. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, darling. Daddy Pandy's here. Don't worry about Ben. It wasn't his fault. He was just trying to get your hiccups away. Oh, and don't worry, Ben. It's not your fault. You did the right thing.
Yeah, thanks, Dad.
Oh, what have I done to scare her like that? I'm gonna go to my room and cry.
No, Ben, come back! Oh, no. God, what have I done?
Well, the only thing that you've done, Andy, is you've made your son upset. Well, yeah, it's a good thing you don't make Paul upset, do you?
No, I suppose not. Oh dear. It's alright, Maggie. It's okay. It's okay. Your dad substitute dad's here. Don't worry. Daddy's here. Anyway, Maggie, is your hiccups gone now?
Yay!
Ooh, well, that could mean one thing. That means that Maggie's hiccups is completely gone. Woohoo! Ah, well, Maggie, well, I know you cried a bit, but I'm glad your hiccups are gone. Oh, well, Maggie, come and have a hug.
Okay, Auntie Patty.
Oh, he called me Andy Pandy. Oh, that's nice. Alright then, Maggie. Well, I'm afraid that Ben is a bit upset because he just done something wrong, but it wasn't his fault. So, why don't you go and see him? Alright then.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I guess that means see you in a minute, viewers. See ya. Oh yeah, and goodbye from me, Andy Bearsons. Bye.
Alright then, Fuse. Well, I can't believe that bird just scared Maggie off her, well, self. Oh, and for what? Well, I didn't even say Maggie's in poo this time. Oh, and it's a good thing there's no Lisa's in poo either. So it's basically the same. Well, see you in a minute, viewers. Oh, and just one thing to say. End of part 1. Done. Alright everybody, now don't worry about Maggie. I think she's better now. Oh, and I feel sorry to see that Ben is now crying. Ben? What? What do you want? Well, you see, Ben, I think that Maggie's hiccups are gone. Really? Yeah, really. Of course Maggie's hiccups are gone. Oh, it must have been that scare that scared her hiccups away. Oh yeah, that's... Oh, but I don't think Maggie will love me anymore. Oh, I'm sure Maggie will love you again. All the same. And in fact, I think Maggie is coming to see you now. Hey Maggie, come and see your, dad-in-law. Maggie's just saying, Ben, Penny boy. Oh, hello Maggie. She's just asking you what's the matter. Well, I think I scared you that time, Maggie. Only because I just thought the hiccups would be yours. I'm a bad dad. Oh, that's nice. Maggie's just giving you a massage. Alright, but if you get up now, I'm sure she'll give you something. Oh yeah? Like what? Well, if you sit up now... Oh, I don't like the look of your sad face. Well, it makes me want to cry too. Don't say that. Ouch.
Daddy.
Oh, looks like Maggie still loves you. See, Ben? You're not a bad dad-in-law after all. You're a good father, you are. Yeah. Alright then, Maggie. Well, aren't you pleased that your hiccups are now gone? Oh, good. Yeah, 'cause I guess that Ben, your dad-in-law, is now crying. Do you want to say goodbye for him? Go ahead. I mean, this is, you and Ben's episode. And Maggie say, bye-bye, everybody. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
That's the end of the episode. Goodbye. Nee. I think Maggie was trying to say, that's all, folks.